Hello there, welcome to this tutorial on how to install ArtWelder for CorelDRAW X6. My name is Michael, I'm part of the support team here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be helping you guys out today. As always, I'm going to be going over the important points with my presentation today, but I will be going pretty quickly, so pause the video if you need to, let your system catch up, and so that we can keep on the same page. But in either case, let's get going. So, after purchasing the equipment, you will be sent an email with the download information in it. So we go to our emails. My email is for the Box It Suite for 2017. The only difference between mine and yours will be the name and the file size. Otherwise, the procedure will remain the same between both of our operations. So, look for the email mail big file, and then open up these two links. By opening them, you will see these two pages here. Yours will be 150 megs, so it will take it a bit to download, probably 3 to 4 minutes. While it's downloading, open up this other one here, which is the Getting Started guide. I encourage you guys to look at that while the other file is downloading, just to make sure to get a little refresher, get a little bit of some information down right from the beginning. So we download that. We want to show it in the folder. And here we go. There's the two files that we just downloaded. The file that we are concerned about is not quite ready yet because it is still zipped. So right click, extract all. Windows 10 does that for us now. No need for third-party programs to do this anymore. Extract all. I'm going to go ahead and put it into a folder that I prepared beforehand, ArtWelder for X6. And then we will select on extract. Now then, since I already extracted it, I'm going to cancel and then go to that exact folder. And here is the information that you should be seeing when you extract. We want to make sure we have install.cdr, and we're going to be running that, but first we need to make sure CorelDRAW is ready. So open CorelDRAW. Alright, and with that we have installed the ArtWelder program for CorelDRAW X6. Thank you for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out. Check out the video card on your left if you'd like to find out more about the ArtWelder program, or the video on your right if you'd like to find out more about increasing your revenue opportunities with some of our other programs. Our website listed here can show you a small portion of the capabilities of the software you purchased and materials that we have made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, our office hours are from 9 to 5:30 Mountain Standard Time, Monday through Friday. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your laser.